Yes, today we're going to make Balushahi Misti. It's a Bengali Misti, and when you open these delicious Mistis, as you can see, they're nice and juicy. Watch the end all the way to the end of the video so you know how they become nice and juicy and delicious. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 6 tablespoons of pure ghee, and yogurt required. Firstly, in a bowl, we're just sieving our flour to get rid of all the lumps. And we're sieving our baking soda with our flour. So after we've sieved in our flour, we're adding our ghee. It's softened ghee. That's at room temperature. And we're going to rub our ghee into our flour. We're going to add in our yogurt. Now don't add all of it at once, add a bit of it at a time until you get it nice and combined into a dough. So this is how your dough should be, nice and hard and firm and combined together. Then relieve the dough to rest for half an hour. After half an hour, our dough has rested and we're going to get a bit of our dough and separate it and then roll it up using your hands. So you're going to press it down and then you're going to do a hole using your thumb in the middle. Make sure the hole is not all the way through so it looks like this. And if it's cracked around the sides, it doesn't matter. And we're going to do the rest exactly the same. Now we're going to go and fry these. Fry your Balushahi Mistis in medium heated oil on a low flame until they're nice and golden brown. Now we're going to make the sugar syrup. For that we will need 1 cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of water and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. In a pot, heat up your sugar and water until the sugar has dissolved within the water. Once it came to a boil, we're adding our lemon juice and mixing that in. Pour the sugar syrup over your Balushahi Misti, and the Balushahi Misti will soak it up. and it'll be nice and juicy. Now leave it to rest for 1 hour. Now we're just rolling our Balushahi Mistis in Mawa, you may call it Khoya. We have a recipe for this, homemade Mawa or Khoya, and we'll link that in the description so you can check that out. Because our Balushahi Mistis have soaked up the sugar syrup well, when you break it or eat it, it'll be nice and juicy. We're also putting a little bit of pistachios. This is optional. It's just to decorate the Balushahi Mistis. Also, this is a great sweet treat to eat on any special occasions. So we have finished making our Balushahi Mistis. They turned out really well and they taste very delicious. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below. And check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.